the final thing we'll look at is what you can actually do with the results. Now, you can of course examine them here in the GUI, but in reality you're going to want to export them either to a control system or to a database where you can analyze them, etc. If you're dealing with a live feed where you're passing an HTTP request with the information you have and receiving an HTTP response back from the system modeler program, then that response will have in it all the outputs for that particular case, the decision policies and the a posteriori's. However, if you're working through a data set rather than a live feed, you will then have a result set and you will want to export that. We export results to ODBC data sources. So my output can be the name of the table that we're going to create to export these results to. We find our ODBC data source. So we found our So we exported this result set to the SQL server running on the local machine. And here is our outputted result set. Now, the result set that we just outputted had only a single prediction variable, and here is in the details column we have a JSON encoding of the a posteriori probability distribution for that variable. Now, of course, exactly what that's going to look like will depend on the type of distribution involved. Similarly, you will obtain JSON representations for decision policies, or if you're doing a pattern classification task, you'll get a JSON object providing the details of the likelihood for each datum in the dataset for each model.